Okay, welcome back. Okay, what I want to continue with is health and safety executive, and you need to remember to keep up to date with current regulations. Okay, so all I'm going to do is just glance through this in a brief manner. Okay, question is first aid. What is first aid at work, etc.? What do I need to do? This is information that you will need for yourselves. Okay, and make sure you're actually up to date with concurrent regulations and any changes which may be applicable for your period in time. Okay, nothing here for me to do. You can read it for yourselves. Okay, I don't need to read this out to you in any shape or form at all whatsoever. Let me just see, make sure that I've got all the paperwork in online in view. Okay. Okay. Okay, where can you get the further information? Again, that may change, so allow for the factor in changes. Okay. Now remember, your ISBN numbers, they may have changed, so you may be having new booklets which come up with different references, but in the same value of information. Just get this back to the side so we can make sure we get it on fully on camera. Okay. Okay. And just some points to consider: impact on first aid provision, etc. Okay, make sure that I have got, I can get you into view. Okay, yep. Make sure it's large so you don't have to strain your eyes to see it. Can be seen quite easily and read easily. That's the idea behind it. Okay. I'll just move you over a little bit more as well. Bring you into shape and into view. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.